Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's been an odd day today. Postman's bought me a locomotive cradle so I can do some servicing. It's a floppy thing, but we'll see how we get on with it. It was cheap. So there's that. And what else arrived in the post? A single slip crossing. Yeah. Can't wait to get this fitted because this means the start of my fiddle yard. So yeah, I've got to do some track work. So today went out chasing a locomotive. You already know what it is, Clan Line. So I went with Mark Johnson. That's Mark that was with me in the loft the other day. We've been out chasing Clan Line around southeast Kent here. So let's show you Alan out. This comes. My favourite train at the moment. On a steam special, pulling the other 37, the dummy one. Here we got, is this a 335?
375.
375. Haha, he just blew his whistle. Damn, my head's just gone. What's the locomotive we're waiting for?
Clan Line.
Clan Line, of course, yeah. So we're waiting for Clan Line.
Yeah.
Still running. He's throwing coal on at the moment. Look at the colour of the smoke. Here we come. Clan Line, here we come. I've been waiting for this. We're going to chase her into Dover and then down onto Shakespeare Beach to see her go through Shakespeare Tunnel.
You ain't that be a good viewpoint.
Yeah, I reckon the Shakespeare would be fantastic.
Got plenty of time to get there because it's 20 minutes from Dover before it sets out.
Okay. Look at the smoke!
It is moving, you said right.
Sorry about the camera work. Here comes Clan Line. Start waving then. We should get a blast on the whistle. That's it, she's hit the summit. I can't see anything but smoke. There's a few people on the other bridge as well. Whoa! No diesel on the back. No.
So you reckon Shakespeare?
Yes, I reckon Shakespeare will be. Oh. Anything else? Ooh, good timing. Yeah, their bridges are much better. I very much like them. the visuals are much better. Here comes clan line. Javelin. Oh, he's throwing a bit of coal on now. We got some nice black smoke. Yeah, another shovel full of coal. Poof. Well, after watching Clan going by, this is a bit of a yeah. Oh, like buses, when you want one, two come along at once. Oh, good time, and here comes the S15 again. Let's get it down here. Let's come. Anyone else? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, nice. Oops. Come on now, your camera not getting any better. Well, I suppose I better apologise for the crappy photo skills, running out of batteries, but we did catch clan line. Well, the best we could. Thanks to Mark, we've got a few nice still pictures. And well, you only get one chance, and once she's gone by, that's it. I'm not sure when the next rail tour is. I think it's just before Christmas, unless I'm told otherwise. So take care. That's Alan in the kitchen. Wow, it's the shortest video I've done in ages. So thanks for everybody for congratulating me on my 1,000th subscriber. So more coming soon. Alan in the kitchen. Take care. Goodbye, Alan.